I bought this watercolor set in June 2020 and now it's August 2023, so it's been 3 years. I haven't used this since then. It was untouched and unused at my home, sitting somewhere. This is Sakura Koi watercolor set with a brush, and it is a 24 set of colors. Starting with the box, it's a very premium and sturdy plastic box and it has a palette of its own. So this is a detachable palette and these are the 24 set of colors. I got this refillable brush along with the set and it was like separated and kept inside. Now I have filled it with water, and much later I got one second one in the similar style. This one is a larger brush and the other one is a smaller size. I have filled both the brushes with water and today we will be using these two brushes for our painting. If we check this lid of the box, it's a snap lid and it acts as an easel for postcard size papers. I have this little paper here. I have already cut it out and put it here to show you. And we have this palette with this holders. We can attach the holder to the space given here and use it as a palette on the go. You can hold it. A ring is there at the bottom of the box and do your painting wherever you get some space. This palette can be attached on all four sides. How wonderful! Are you wondering what are these two pieces on both the sides? These are sponge to soak your water while you're working, so you don't need a tissue paper. You just need your paint box and postcard size watercolor papers and you're good to go. Alright friends, so today's plan is I would be doing a swatch of all the 24 colors we have on this little piece of paper, and on the other side of the paper we will do a small watercolor painting. Finally, I will tell you why I didn't use this watercolor set for last 3 years and what's my opinion about it now. Do I recommend it and for whom do I recommend? So stay with me and let's get started. Roughly map out the sketch for this painting. I would be using a fine liner too for the houses and little trees and the electric poles. Yeah, let's do the sketch first and then we will go over with the paints. I am drawing at a very bad angle, but you can move around your paper like this and draw as you please. I just wanted to show you from one angle, so I'm moving my hands rather than the paper. Now we will be using the water brushes for the painting. This is the larger one which I will use first. I have some dried paints in the palette. These ones are from yesterday's painting which I put out in the community post. So these are very granulating paints. most of the colors are granulating in nature from this set. So while painting you have to keep this in mind that this will granulate on the paper as well. While painting the foliage, I completely missed out that the camera was not recording, so pardon me for that. I just used some blue, green and browns for the foliage. Next we paint the foreground. Using the fine liner, I go over the houses once more and I feel like something is missing. Oops. Yeah, right. So that happens all the time with my brushes and my pencils and my fine liners. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, so I was saying that I felt like something is missing on the other side of the road in the landscapes. So I thought of giving some impression of little houses on the other side with some electric poles, some wires connecting both the sides of the landscape. I have a very different opinion on these paints. I would not refer them to beginner artists. I have my own experience and I can tell you that it might discourage you. Almost all the colors are granulating paints, and if you don't understand how to use the granulating colors, it might not be a good experience. But once you're familiar with watercolors and you know how to use them, you have some experience, you can go ahead and use this set. They are very beautiful to use, and from now onwards I would use them more frequently. Here is the little artwork we created using this Sakura Koi watercolor paints. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.